Really good, enjoy it. I had a bit of trouble because I forgot to read about turning on data roaming, but once I realized that, things were looking up. No problem. The speed of the connection was excellent and the connection was smooth. Five. eSIM. It was cheap and the data volume and speed were good and I was able to use it comfortably. Kakik tepi manchok dokitjing maltuyanan esim yasumnita. Iching tokwuliti e kakuki rani, ching walking simpi ranun pyoyanitak ulimnita. Chicha achi malkokok kumaya posikil kongnuki chuchin turimnita. Five six. Easy to connect without much hassle. It in number 39, great because you can connect quickly and easily with just a little effort when you arrive at your destination, even before you leave Japan. I purchased a 7-day plan with 1.5 gigabytes per day. The price was also very reasonable at 1,252 yen. I had no problems connecting, and I mainly used Google Maps, internet searches, and Line during my trip. I was able to check the amount of data I used in my iPhone settings, but it only showed the total, so I couldn't in number 39 really tell how much I used per day. However, I think it was less than 1 gigabyte per day. Next time, I think 1 gigabyte per day would be enough. It in number 39, good value for money, so I in number 39, like to use it again next time. It was my first time in Australia and I was nervous, but by following the instructions it was easy to use and I was able to meet up with my friends there smoothly after arriving. I highly recommend it. 5 eSIM Wi-Fi. I used it again on my trip to Sydney as it was a good experience the last time I used it.